it's gonna be Christine looking like a fool. Okay.
Oh, good luck. I'm scared. I'm killing zombies.
Yeah, we'll see. See if you kill any of them. You see the monitors? Take a step back. There. Okay, that's where you want to stay. So, start all loose. Move out the eyes.
Yeah! Oh, it's look really good. Can you tie it up a little bit? Don't go. Don't go. Don't go.
Calm down. You're just standing on the ground. Real easy. That's that hand. Thumb in there. This is this hand. Thumb in there.
How are we gonna kill the zombies? So which one we should press?
Same as every other game. Holding a gun. Shooting.
Oh.
And if you have an axe, you need to really swing at it. So you just, well, heck, let's get safety stuff on and head off. Go through the loop. Okay. Don't want you throwing it when you're swinging an axe.
What if I throw it in your monitor?
Well, then you don't get anything for a long time, and I get a new monitor.
Okay, game?
Yeah.
Hit play?
Yeah, just hit play. And in this game, you don't need to walk around. You just stay where you are.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, good luck to me! Oh my god! Loading.
Hold on. That's just a guy.
It is so real!
It's getting hurt.
I'm not gonna do it like quick. Oh no! Oh, they're coming!
Not yet. So you see those red marks? Honey, see those red marks? That's where the sound's coming from. Whenever you see that, you need to look the way it's pointing.
Okay.
So right now, there's some guys to your left. Keep looking left. Keep looking left.
Oh no! I don't want it!
Oh no!
No!
See, he gives you a gun. See that? Now, just put your hand towards it and press the grab button.
That?
No, the circle. Press grab.
Oh, that's why I can't do it.
There you go. Now you gotta aim for their head.
No! Oh my god!
The other way. Turn around. Put your gun down to reload it.
My gun!
Hold on. Put your gun down to reload it. Is it not letting you? No.
Why my gun is not working?
You didn't have enough bullets. But that's just for play. You gotta get back to the game area, honey.
How?
Walk forward. Come on. You gotta finish. You gotta finish.
My gun is not working.
I know, that's a no-win scenario. Now you gotta pick next mission and they won't do that to you again. That's how the game starts.
What is the next mission?
It's where you learn how to play. That taught you how to die.
No! She's taller than me.
Everyone is.
Unlike her pants.
Of course you do.
I like her outfit.
Look how big his feet are.
Yeah. I want that boots.
Yeah, it starts off kind of slow. It's not much of a story, but it has one.
I'm scared.
Reload. Try to remember to reload. You don't have to look down to reload, just put the gun down. Try to keep an eye on what's going on.
No.
No.
See, dead ahead. No pun intended. Incoming zombies on your left.
That's the slow reload. You gotta do the fast way. You gotta pull the trigger when it's halfway.
Spinners should take pure acid.
Quit looking down when you do that. Reload. There you go. Try to get it. Try to pull the trigger when it's in that
Dodge out the way.
zone.
Got no bullets left.
Reload. You're still not quick reloading. You're not even trying.
Oh!
You can look at your gun. Come on, honey. Be quicker. There you go. Reload.
Practice makes
Come on, try to quick reload already.
What's that? Remember, release the grip button holder, your default weapon.
Holsters. It means puts it in your belt, the holster.
I don't have a belt.
Yes, you do.
Where is
It's
it?
saying if you let go of the button,
Oh, that's
it
my
puts
belt.
it in there.
Oh.
Hey, look to your left. That's my old base.
No, don't pick up your gun.
Why don't you pick it up and whack some Z's?
Oh. Can I walk?
No. I mean, you can take a step forward because you're at the edge of the border. Hit him.
How?
Swing more. Come on, get out there. Hit her. Hit him. There's someone there.
It may not be sharp, but it'll send those Z's.
Okay, get your gun. Oh yeah. No, use the bat. You can use the bat.
Oh, really?
Use both hands. Hit it.
The dog won't like those curveballs.
Reload.
Good thing those Spartans are well equipped for the job.
You're almost dead. Be careful. Don't forget your ammo. You're almost out. Swing.
Ah!
You dropped it. Now you dropped your gun. Shoot him. Shoot him. Reload.
Oh, it's scary. Nauseous. I have nauseous.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm gonna play another one with her so that I can get too sweet.